I'm Mary Lou Song, and I'm the CEO of Fuel 451. We help businesses create video advertising.
So my name is Paxton Song. I'm the COO of Fuel 451.
I was referred to GRI from a friend, and I experienced the test and thought it was a very fast way to understand even my own personality and my behaviors. And so it made sense to try this for the entire team.
So initially my reaction going into the GRI was, I'm typically very cynical. So I thought, oh boy, here's another one of these tests that I've taken in the past. For me, receiving my information was very interesting. It not only helped me get a better understanding of how I make decisions and what process I go through in order to reach those decisions, but also how I should be interfacing with others who may or may not have similar attributes. For the interviewing process, we were able to utilize the GRI's information by not only understanding what attributes in the candidate that we were looking for, but to also identify specific questions on how the candidate would respond to those specific questions in order to identify and ensure that there was a solid fit for the position as well as that person's natural abilities.
It helps us understand behaviors of possible candidates before they even enter the office.
The data that we got back from the GRI is not only useful for helping understand what candidate to find, but also to understand what interdependencies there are between group dynamics, individual characteristics, individual traits, but also how teams interface and interact with one another. Using the data that we received and understanding going through the seminar and understanding how these individuals respond and react to others that may or may not have similar attributes is highly valuable in understanding how people respond and react in certain situations.
The platform shows very quickly what the overall culture of the team is like. And I absolutely believe that it's a useful tool for helping teams understand themselves and the dynamics that they're creating.
Going through the seminar and working with others who have gone through the seminar together, the information is very easy to begin collaborating with other members that have gone through that same experience in order to understand and make faster decisions, understanding how certain attributes interact and what those how individuals respond to certain situations. We're using a common language and therefore understanding exactly what all those interdependencies might be and then coming up with the right decision very quickly, in some cases extremely fast. My recommendation is that the GRI is highly valuable for any organization of any size. As long as there's a common goal of wanting to not only save money, but to also find the right candidate to make better decisions about the hiring and hiring process, what attributes you're looking for, as well as understanding how the organization acts together as a whole. You have much better understanding of how teams will interface with one another to make stronger decisions and to make better team decisions.
As a startup company, there are always challenges in hiring, firing, and getting team members to collaborate and work really well together. I have no time to waste. My team has no time to waste. So anything that helps us get to a better state more quickly is important to us, and that's why we like the GRI.